Have you ever thought it would be great to cool off in a reservoir? 14-year-olds Adam Hale and James Chappell found out the facts. It definitely is not a cool thing to do.
James, it's a nice sunny day. Fancy a dip in the water?
I'm game if you are.
We've got Gwyn from Welsh Waters here. Gwyn, why can't we go in the water?
As appealing as that water may look today, I can assure you there's a lot of dangers that come from swimming in cold water.
Surely it can't be that dangerous, doesn't look deep at all.
It may seem shallow around the edges, yeah, that's true, but all reservoirs go very deep, very quickly, and a few metres down, that water is near freezing point. As soon as you jump into that water, it can cause you to gasp uncontrollably, and that's going to make you panic, and eventually, that could cause you to drown. Another danger then is the fact that it'll make your hands and feet go cold, yeah? And if you can't feel your hands and feet, then you're going to have no control over them, so you're not even going to be able to swim in that water. And another thing you can do is lower the temperature of your body, yeah? And that can cause a condition called hypothermia. Even if you do manage to get out of that water and you start to warm up, it can still cause you to have a heart attack.
But I'm young and fit. Surely it won't affect me.
It doesn't matter how young or fit you are, yeah? The effects of swimming in cold water are exactly the same for everyone. I'm going to ask you a question now, yeah? And see if you know the answer to this. How far can the average person swim in cold water?
200 metres?
Not less than that, Adam.
Around 100 metres maybe?
Not even less than that again, James. The actual distance is 45 metres, which is about the width of a football pitch. And an average adult has only got a 50-50 chance of actually surviving that swim anyhow.
So what other dangers are there?
This is a reservoir used to supply your home with water. So underneath the surface, there's a lot of equipment in place, yeah? And that can start to operate at any moment. So if you were swimming and that started to operate, you would be in big trouble. Another danger, which comes from swimming in reservoirs, is the fact of where they're located, yeah? What can you tell me about where we are today?
There aren't many houses around.
That's right, yeah. So if you were to get into difficulty, then it could take a long time for anyone to even, hear you, and for the emergency service to get up here to actually help you as well.
So basically, we can come to the reservoirs, but we can't swim in them.
That's right. Come to the reservoir and enjoy the area surrounding it. It's a great place to come for a walk or to come on your bike, but don't go in that water. It's not safe.
So the message is, stay safe and stay out the reservoir.